Today I was going about my business, but I was caught up in traffic. So, my eyes them couldn't roam a little bit. So that's what I was doing. I caught a beautiful young lady and me like, damn, she's fine. Plus, a bodysuit, so her whole body curve out. You're like, whoa. Anyways, she bent down and beside her was her dog. I'm like, oh, that's cute. Me think she did go, petty dog on top because I walk them a walk. Nah. She have her water bottle in her hand. She pull it up and start kind of squeeze it so the water is spraying in the dog face. The dog back out in lip, or tongue rather, and start lick the buckle. I say, typical American. They love their dog. Right now, who don't want one woman will love me like how Americans love their dog. I swear. Anyways, she get up and start walking. Yes, the lady take the water bottle where her dog just a lick and put it in her mouth and start drink the water. Oh my gosh. And that's one of the main reason why I, Los Jackson, can never ever date a white woman. But a cat?
That not go happen. That will never happen. You will never live to see that happen.
But anyways, we have a nice little lineup tonight of all women. Gents, 71% of my viewers are men. The last video, a funo. Ladies, if you don't want to watch it, you don't watch it. Anyways, this is a first story. I want a white lady to talk about her experience while she was in Jamaica. Let's listen in.
All right, story time. So I was in Jamaica and I decided to go ahead and take a walk along the beach by myself. I mean, gorgeous island. Why wouldn't I? And this local gentleman comes and walks up next to me in his birthday suit. And I couldn't help but notice he had the name Wendy tattooed in a very special area. And he says to me, "What is a beautiful woman like you doing walking along this beach by yourself?" So I decide I'm going to ask him about it. And I said, "Well, who is Wendy? She seems to be very special, considering where you got her name tattooed." So rather confused, he says, "Wendy?" And I said, and he goes, "Oh, don't worry. When I'm fully extended, it says, 'Welcome to Jamaica, man. Have a nice day.'" Have a nice day.
But I said when they extended, it said, "Welcome to Jamaica." I bet she wanted to sit on it and probably lick it like how a dog there lick a water bottle. Anyways, big up him on them way. Have them white here, foreign or abroad. Get your green card, get your money, do what you need to do. We know where you do to get everything where you get. It is what it is. But we're moving forward to this lady with us a cuss out Peanut Dread. I don't know where Peanut Dread do her. She a cuss so much, it gonna take me 3 hours to edit for her little clip alone. Jesus.
Peanut Dread. You had one dread. Your mama and daddy must be angry. You're so bad in a hurt. Your Peanut Dread, your mama and your daddy. I don't know if your mama you come out, but your daddy must run like your mama with you before you're born. You're wicked fire. You're cracking every turn up for going up. Peanut Dread. But man for wait till pick me born before then give one something for pick me. You're wicked dirty f***. You want to hang with the locks like how Hapsalon hang. You're wicked fire. You wicked fire. When I get pregnant with my first child, I was a queen into my man little one room when rent. I was a queen. Everything I want I get with my 5 kids. Everything I want I get from my boyfriend. Everything I want I receive. Peanut Dread and nasty dirty fire. You hang you're gonna hang here like how Absalom hang with him for here. I'm not too wicked. I'm not angry woman like nothing you know for going on. You never smell in our taste in our look funny. Peanut Dread is a wicked dirty f***er. Leave woman alone, make woman prosper. God give it a 10 bomber clad pound of pussy hole if you prosper with it. Low with Peanut Dread and make your cocky dead and you can't turn up. Low with Peanut Dread. Low man, come off a woman. Come off a woman back on a nasty dirty rass, you know. If I know woman on not somebody.
Listen, I know you probably need a little time to digest. So while you're digesting that, I'm asking you kindly to like the video. Share the video. I'm asking you to leave a comment in the comment section. What else? Oh, subscribe and click the notification bell. Cause this a mouth ya, this a lady ya, more nastier than for peanut dread. I thought peanut dread have the dirtiest, nastiest mouth in Jamaica, but this a lady beat peanut dread. Anyways, we are move forward with our next white lady. Listen, me not nothing against white ladies, you know. Me don't want to feel like say me no about date who you want date. She voice over or act over Barakat voice. Very interesting.
Yeah, man, up above there where I come from. Yeah, me 3 more squaddy.
Yeah.
And police and film 2 more squaddy a come up. See where I come down over the side, them pan for them side I go up. With the power right side I come down, them pan for them right side I come. Them stop call me alone front of me 3 squaddy. A 4 away, you know. And them call me what? Say me fi come over this.
Are you gonna drive?
Walk where I walk, drive what? Walk where I walk. So me left crossroad go over to police. Them ask me where me a come from. Me say me a come from up a Kildare, Buff Bay Valley.
Yes.
Where me go do? Me say me go work. Oh, me have so much argument. Me say me don't have no only argument. You ask me something and me answer you. He might go say me fi go on. Me tell him you not fi tell me that. Cause if you never stop me, would reach further.
She on point, she on point. Yo, me not gonna lie, man. Barakat is very funny. Barakat is very talented. Barakat put a smile upon enough of her face over here. So enough time people comment and say, oh, lost, me have a bad day, and when me come in and start watching videos, it make me a laugh, put a smile upon my face. And guess what? That's the reason why me create this a channel. Cause me have a next channel now. But this a channel me really put more effort in it because, man, me have to share the laughter. Barakat, big up yourself. And go and go subscribe to Barakat channel and Peanut Dread channel as well. And subscribe over here so and like the video, man. Jesus, help me grow the channel. Cause YouTuber beat me. Anyways, this a lady I know, young lady, beautiful Jamaican woman. She say, ain't nothing out there to date. These men in the dating pool, they're full of crap. Yeah.
Hey, how do you find dating in Jamaica?
Dating in Jamaica is so difficult, very difficult. These men are so promiscuous and they lie for nothing at all. They have too many options, to be honest with you.
Sounds rough. So how do you find dating here?
Well, I just plan on keeping myself to myself and just home to my husband. Well, I just plan on keeping myself to myself and just home to my husband.
You have a husband, but you find dating difficult. Hey, listen. That's how it is all across the world. Jamaican women, they want to know most of them, not all. 95% of them. I believe the 21% of women who watch my videos, you guys are very faithful. Nice ladies. The rest of them, enough man they ain't got. Big up on yourself if you have enough man, and big up on yourself enough when you have one man too. Anyways, the last video are for the man them. And when, you know what? Run it.
I know me little bit, me just little bit. Look, you know, me little and tight. Me grip like vice. Me man say me right. Him right become a nice. When me sit down on the bike, and me foot them eyes. And that me man like. So him come home every night. Cause from upon me little bit. What the little girl them there? Little girls. Who don't go there?
When lady saw say where the little girl them there, where the little girl them there, you know where she attack? She attack the vagina. If you have a small vagina, ugh, that's what she call little girls. The performance here was Sting. Oh my God, her last performance at, not Sting, Reggae Sumfest, when she closed Reggae Sumfest. I think it was 2016. Yeah, man. But anyways, the white girl that me think me change my mind. Hey, thanks for watching. Thanks for always sharing. Thanks for liking. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for commenting. I appreciate you guys so much. We're at 26,000 views, and I'll not do the official thank you yet. But to the ones who always there at the last part of the video, you don't know yourself, because always in the comment section, me and down there chat. Respect.